Hello, good afternoon. My name is Laura Marcela Costa. Activity number 2. Me with her. I with school student at specialization. I with your school travel to water countries. I with school having a house of own. I with school have a latte mother car. I wish school for a beautiful family. I wish school teaching in public school. I wish school have a private kindergarten. I wish it could come up from Colombia. I wish you could buy me a new computer. I wish could participate in attentions con. I wish could exercise every day. I wish could take my family to beach. I wish could take my cousins to Disney. I wish could go vacation. I wish could celebrate Christmas with Wolf family. I wish bull from Hobser for me brother. I wish could meet Manny People and for friendship. I wish he could take me grandfather of treatment. I wish could live in Europe. I wish we could live them friends. I wish could go visit my friends. I wish could read some good books. I wish could learn an art. I wish could go to a Karol G concert. I wish could do neck twingies. I wish could change me hanging habit. I wish could have a good health. I wish could meditate every day. I wish could help others. I wish could discover never hobbies. Thank you.